In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist a sender in Gmail so their emails never go to spam. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, reliable filter that keeps important messages in your inbox and out of the spam folder. Start by opening an email from the sender you want to protect from spam filtering. Beginning from an existing message helps Gmail recognize the sender right away and saves you from manually filling out extra details. You can use any message from that sender, and it works best on the Gmail web interface where all the filtering options are easy to access. With the message open, look to the top right area of the email for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More. Click that icon to open the menu of message-specific actions. From this menu, choose filter messages like this. This tells Gmail you want to build a rule based on the characteristics of the email you're viewing. A filter setup window will appear with a From field. In that field, type the exact email address you want to whitelist. If you'd like to allow messages from an entire organization, you can enter a domain, such as typing the @ sign followed by the domain name. Using a full email address targets just that sender, while using a domain covers all senders from that domain. Double-check your typing here to avoid missing messages due to a typo. Next, click the Create Filter button at the bottom of the search window. This moves you to the action screen where you decide what Gmail should do with any future emails that match your criteria. In the next window, check the box labeled Never Send It to Spam. This is the key step that tells Gmail to bypass its automatic spam filtering for this sender. From now on, matching messages won't land in the spam folder, even if Gmail's algorithm is uncertain. If you want to clean up your mailbox immediately, you can also check Also apply filter to matching conversations. This optional choice applies the rule to existing messages that already match your filter, helping pull them out of the spam folder or ensuring they're treated consistently going forward. Finally, click Create Filter to finish. Gmail will save your rule, and future emails from that sender or domain will skip the spam folder. If you ever need to adjust or remove this behavior, you can update your filters later in Gmail's settings. That's all it takes. Repeat the same process for any other senders you want to safeguard, and you'll keep your important conversations front and center.